Worried about your privacy and want to clear your browsing history from the Samsung Browser app? It's important to do this regularly to protect your personal information and keep your data safe. Don't worry, in today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to clear your browsing data quickly and easily. Let's get started. Open the Internet Browser app on your Samsung phone. Tap the three-dot menu icon. Then tap Settings. Scroll down. Now go to Personal Browsing Data. Next, tap Delete Browsing Data. Select the types of data you want to clear. After that, hit Delete Data at the bottom. Finally, tap Delete from the pop-up to confirm. Alright everyone, now you've learned how to clear your data history from the Samsung Internet app. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tips. If you have any questions or want help, just leave a comment below. I'm happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.